Hello?
Are you a CNC machine shop owner?
Are you facing low productivity issues? Are you worried of day-to-day manpower issues to reach your production target? And worried about the absenteeism of operators and timely delivery to your customers? Stay relaxed. Here is a solution. It's now time to automate your whole machine shop. Introducing Gray Matter Robotics, a leading automation solution provider to automate your machine shop with its new robust 4-axis gantry system, which is highly precise and suitable to your application. We manufacture gantry for all CNC brands at our manufacturing facility located in Gujarat, India. Gantry for Doosan machine. Gantry for Akuma machine. Gantry for LMW machine. Gantry for Ace Micromatic CNC machine. Gantry for Jodi CNC machine. Gantry for Haas CNC machine. Gantry for Mazok CNC machine. So, if you are looking to automate your CNC machines, do visit our website www.gmrpl.in and drop us your requirements. Also check out our YouTube channel for more updates. We regularly post our new projects on YouTube. Thank you.